Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set super wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open Google Play Store and in the search bar, just search this. Then just install this app. Then tap on open. From here, just select agree and continue. Now just tap on super wallpaper. Now just select any super wallpaper style which you like. For an example, I will select this one. Now just tap on Video Unlock. Now just tap on Video Unlock one more time. Now just select your super wallpaper and tap on Apply. Tap on OK, then tap on Set Wallpaper. Now just select Home Screen and Lock Screen. And this is how you can set super wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.